Alright guys, so before this video starts, I just want to say these are videos that I've recorded a really long time ago, around when that first Motovlog came out. This was still, I think, in like summer or something, when it was still hot outside and stuff. Now, I do want to go ahead and say though, unfortunately, there's a long story, but I no longer have this motorcycle. No, I did not get in a car accident or a motorcycle accident or anything like that. I promise. Don't worry about that, but I will make a video announcing exactly, telling you guys exactly why I no longer have this motorcycle. But hopefully I will soon be getting another one. And then also, finally, I want to say that at this time, I still don't have a microphone for it. I did fix where the black bars on the first Motovlog was on the sides. I did fix that, as you guys can tell once this video starts. But the microphone audio and stuff, I'm using the built-in GoPro microphone, so I'm sorry if it sounds bad, but once I get a new motorcycle, I will invest in a microphone for the GoPro. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Yo! Golly, that's why it's illegal. That's why it's illegal, ladies and gentlemen, to back out of your driveway.
Walk down slow when the lights off. Tell my bitch I make a living on the race course.
I think we are going. My book bag's way too heavy. Anyway, I think we're live, or not live, but I've been live streaming the past few days. That's why I said that. I think we are recording. Let me make sure. Yep, we're good. Alright. So, today, since I'm a freaking minor still, we're going to school. It's only 8:09. I gotta be there by 8:25. I'm gonna let this thing warm up for a little bit. And then we're gonna go to school. Oh yeah. I forgot. Should probably take this off my side. And I forgot to wipe down the seat before. Look. It's so humid here in Georgia. It's ridiculous. I'm debating on whether or not I should just keep my GoPro on my helmet at school and just carry the helmet around, or if I should just take it off and put it in my book bag and hope it doesn't get squished to death. Alright, let's go ahead and get going. Daggone! Golly, that's why it's illegal. That's why it's illegal, ladies and gentlemen, to back out of your driveway. He's the one that called the police every day because my dog was barking. Like, are you serious, bro? So yeah. That guy's gonna make me mad. Almost backed right into me, dude. doing that. I'm doing that so wrong, guys. I'm trying to learn how to rev match correctly. It's just not going too good. But I'll learn it. I'll do it correctly someday. Honest with you guys, it really grinds my gears whenever that light's red and that light's green, but people in this lane doesn't go. It's so annoying. Because people get in this lane to turn left, and I'm like, bro, just stay in that lane. Just stay in that lane if you're turning that way. Stay in this lane if you're turning this way. Like, come on now. Hey, I did it correctly! Yes! Ah! Dude, there's not a better feeling in the world than rev matching correctly. It's great. It's awesome. Dude, the reason why I'm so nervous right now is because I've seen so many videos of cops saying that it's illegal to have a GoPro on your helmet. I don't think it is in Georgia, but, you know. Who knows? I think I somewhat did it right that time. Alright, he's going straight. We're good. We're good. Good to go. I wonder if he's seen it or not. I don't know. Oh no! I wonder what he was thinking when I was like doing all these hand gestures. Anyway. Need. I don't think I let out the clutch soon enough. Anyway, you guys know what I need? I really need a mic. That way I don't have to wait till I'm stopped to talk to you guys. You know what I mean? I think that's a teacher. I don't know who has the right of way, but I'm just gonna go. I want to catch up to this guy. Hello, Mr. Teacher on the motorbike. Come here. Where are you turning? There's no place for you to turn at, brother. Why you got your blinker on? Hello. I don't know, so I'm not gonna talk to him. It looked like he had a little trouble keeping his balance straight. Hey, why are you looking at him and not me? I'm just kidding. Oh snap! This dude has a handicap tag on his motorcycle. I have not seen that before. You want to talk? Hello? Good, yeah? Holy crap, there's only 2 minutes till I gotta be in class, dude. Ugh. I wonder if he's gonna say anything as I walk past him about the camera or something. Maybe I should turn it off. I don't know. Hey, camera. Alright. Oh no, I think I should turn it off. You know what, YOLO. If he says anything about it. Well, never mind. I gotta take off my helmet anyway. So, guys, I might pick it back up going home. Today I'm riding with one of my buddies on a bike. So, I'm gonna go this way. I'm riding with one of my buddies. That's a nice car. What is that, a 350? Or, I mean a 250 or a 270? I don't know. I don't know my cars, man. Anyway, so I might just pick this up and do the ride along with my buddy in this video, or I might make a whole another video for it. You guys will know
if you're watching it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera now. I should have been in class like right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
There's two teams here.
Oh my god!